Miss Anita Bell, welcome to our interview today about Cartoon Animator 5.
Hi everybody, it's a pleasure to be here.
We are thrilled to have you here as you know our products so well. We're grateful that you've taken the time to speak with us today and are eager to learn more about your experience with the software. Can you share your experience using Cartoon Animator 5 over the past 3 months?
Sure, December to February is the first big grant season for the new year, so I've been busy using CA5 to pitch for major projects, often up to 2 years ahead. Animated pitches are rare in grant funding, so Cartoon Animator gives me an edge to impress with a wow factor. Oh dear, are you okay, Gary? Too much wow? Yeah, you'll be fine. Okay, so applying for grants. You can do this too in your own countries and languages. Just set up Google alerts for grants which match your own skills and interests. For me, that's medical training, engineering, farm biosecurity and STEM education. But I often see bigger opportunities go begging in sport, tourism, music and general advertising. The hardest part is brainstorming a unique, fresh idea for a project that fits the funding rules. So check out projects that were approved in previous years and think about how your animated proposal could take a step further or support an existing project or progress in a more diverse direction. Perhaps also with iClone 3D virtual reality terrains and using 2D mobs as billboards facing the camera. They behave a lot like the pirate ship in the background of the tutorial by Reallusion on the topic of 360 VR. Just remember to keep all your work non-exclusive in the contract as best you can, so even if the grant sponsors fail to take the project all the way through to marketing after you've done all the work, at least you get paid, usually as much as half or 2/3 in advance, and you get to keep and reuse all of your non-exclusive assets in other projects.
Question 2. How did your expectations compare to the actual experience of using the new features?
It's every bit as exciting as I'd hoped. Spring bones for hair can be added at any stage during a project. Also, colour management, a brilliant tool for creating fresh new content despite strict deadlines. And vectors for close-ups, nice. One of my past tutorials explains a workaround for what is now legacy PNG content. And Gary, your recent tutorial about face animation shows how to solve any minor cut-off corners, so close-ups are no problem at all.
That's been all very interesting, Anita. Thank you for your time today and good luck everyone with your own projects in CTA 5.
Happy animating.
Shh, keep smiling. I'm going to kill that subtitler.